Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna go to Horns Collision in Long Beach. We're gonna get the E46, a little bit of TLC, some front bumper damage on my CSL style bumper. So we're gonna replace that with a new OEM one. It's freshly painted. We're gonna head over to Horns and let's do it. Let's see our boy Calvin over there. All right. What you know about that? Who's at the racetrack today? Getting some seat time going. I wish I was there with y'all. All right, this is Calvin from Horns. What's up, bro? All right, man. So he's gonna be taking care of our E46. We're gonna get a new front bumper on, and he's already painted it. So we're gonna be slapping this thing on and getting it all ready. Dude, this guy knows his way around cars. He knows BMWs, Porsches, JDMs, Euros, all of it. So hit him up. Let's check out this showroom. Look at this. Freaking sick.
Dustin, but
wow. Oh, word up. Dude, hell yeah, Mercedes, man. Freaking innovating, dude. Ooh, this one. This car and that car, like cruising together, would be sick. Dang, that is dope. I don't think I've ever seen an S15 in person, dude. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Only in Gran Turismo, especially like this yellow. Hell yeah, right-hand drive. Can't see that. Damn. All right, just dropping her off. Calvin has the keys in good hands. See you in a few days. Let's get it. Yo, what up? And I have just picked up the E46 from Horns. Got the new front bumper on. Man, it looks good with the fog lights and everything. Let's do a recap. Yo, just wanted to give an update on the E46 front end. Man, we got the SoCal winter weather catching up to us. Frickin' rain. Yeah, it's gonna go on. Was gonna install this today and have an updated video, but weather ain't working out.